want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we going to be at Ranging Rivers. Y'all excited, y'all?
Yeah. Well, that's where Jayla wrote on the summer ideas board. It said Raging Rules.
So, the older kids have been here before. This is me and Aalayah's first time here. So, yeah. How do you get up in here though? So I'm super excited. This is my fitty for today. Y'all, I got this from Forever 21 is bottoms. Hold on. There we go. This swimsuit is from Target, baby. This cover up is from Shein. And this bag is from Target. And it's a Tabitha Brown bag. Bow, bow. All right, y'all. I need my phone to check in. So we'll holler at y'all. We'll holler at y'all in a minute. Yeah, they do. They're big. We got a quick lunch break. We got this little chicken sandwich. It's cool. Cheeseburger fries, chicken tenders fries. Everybody else got burgers and fries. But I got a chicken sandwich. So y'all, this is at the top of it. If you want to get on those slides right there, you wait in this line right here. It's super foggy. But yeah. I don't want to get on the slide, so I'm finna take my happy-go-lucky self right back down here. Look at this lizard. That's a big one. Ew. They just went down there. There's Jayden. See. Yay! Come on, man. Yo, I'm finna go get in the water because I'm starting to burn. Wait, where's Jayla? Good job. Hey, Javion.
Why are you hugging yourself?
Jayla's doing it too, look.
Well, the slide kept stopping, so I had to push myself down.
Oh. Look at her. Oh my goodness.
I have to keep like stepping down.
You should have went on that one.
Hold on, Leia. We not racing. That's why it's the lazy river. You gotta chill up in there, girl.
I see Jayla.
We in the lazy river, y'all. Aalayah up here trying to race. Look at her.
If I'm trying to catch up to the kids, but they're behind.
Hey y'all, what's up? Yeah, I look so crazy right now, but that's okay. We are back. We've been back for what, like 2 hours now? Yeah. Since we went to Raging Rivers, it was fun. Only thing I didn't like is it was these huge ass dead bugs in the water. That was the only thing that I did not like at all. Did not like it. But so yeah, I'm tired. That water and stuff wore me out. Is this coming out? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this thing because it be like trying to lift and come out. Anyways, you guys, so I came over here. I'm finna go to the store. I am so tired. That water done wore me out. I'm finna go get some stuff for Sunday dinner. Yeah, I know I like to do it big for Sunday dinner. And I like to cook so I don't have to cook for a couple of days. So basically, I want to make some chicken. I want to make some barbecue chicken, some macaroni and cheese, and some greens and cornbread. So that's going to be Sunday dinner. I'm a barbecue. I want to bake it, but I don't feel like doing that. So, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed our footage. I should have just went down the slide, y'all, because Aalayah and Jayla got on there, and that thing was slow. I don't like getting on slides because I feel like I don't have no control, and I don't like that. Okay, Javion want hot chips. Okay. So yeah. I will talk to y'all later, maybe tomorrow, because when I get home, I'm probably going to season this chicken up, and then I'm going to finish laying down. I don't know what it is about the pool and the water and the heat, but baby, y'all, I am wore out. I almost didn't go to the store. I was going to get it delivered, but they told me some not to know. They said 9 or 10 o'clock. It's currently 7, so I'm just like, I could just go, whatever. But, yeah. See y'all later. Ooh, look at that lighting. Hello.